Welcome to the Yarn Barn. For this very first episode, I wanted to do a video about me unboxing my new camera that I ordered for the channel. The Yarn Barn is all about yarn, whether it's crocheting, knitting, other yarn crafts. It's going to have everything. But for this very first video, we are going to do an unboxing of the new camera I just got. It just came in the mail, and let's open it up. I'm so excited. The package I got, it's not very big, as you can see by my hand, but I'm so excited about it. Let's open it up and see. Like I said, I'm doing this on my phone, and I'm so excited. All right, I paused the video for a second because I'm doing this one-handed, and I want you to be able to see. Give me a moment. I am just so excited about this. Let's see, I don't really have a tripod to put my phone on, so give me a moment. This is so exciting. Excuse all the thumpings. That there is my daughter, and she is stomping all over. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. There's the box for the camera. Oh, let's see. Let's open this up. I probably should have gotten some scissors, but that's okay. I was just too excited. All right. Let's see. What does this say? It says supplied accessories. Oh, it has the AC adapter, rechargeable battery, AV connecting cable, USB cable, and the user manual. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. What does this say down here? High definition digital video camcorder. Awesome. All right, here we go. And here is a picture of it. That is a picture of the camera I got. Look at all these specs it has. Let's see. It has video camera, which is the video camera. It has a digital camera. It has the FHD megapixels and zoom 16 times. This is so exciting. Also, I wanted to take this moment to apologize for having the first part of the video in vertical. I was not thinking about it. I apologize. All right, this side says high definition. This side has all the specifications. Let's see, it has an image sensor, image resolution, video clip, lens, focus, memory media, ISO, zoom, DIS, fill-in light. Ooh, I like that. White balance, exposure, self-time mode. My daughter is very excited to see this camera. I am too. Just a moment, baby. I want to see what all this says. Self-time mode, that's nice. USB port, auto power off, monitor screen, TV output, power source, size, and weight. That's so exciting. Oh! Ha! Silly me. This is the image sensor and so on and so forth. Well, I'm not going to go through and read all that, but I will put that there. And if you wanted to pause the video and read all of those, I'll be honest, I am going to read it, but it's kind of hard for me to do here. Let's see. We'll go from the bottom up this time. So weight is about 300 grams. Size is 125L by 58. Oh, 125 long by 58 high by 58 wide. L-ion battery. TV output is PAL and TCSC. This is really cool. I like this a lot. And this is the side we saw first. There's the bottom of it. And here's the top. I'm just loving this camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. All right, here we go. So excited. As you can see, my daughter is also excited. Wait, baby. Wait, baby. There we go. Okay, you can fold that flap now. Open that. Good job, baby. All right, let's see. What is this?
That's a card.
This is a card. It says 24-hour video surveillance customer support card. That is pretty cool. Wait. Let's see. It says high quality, profession, and affordable. This is so exciting. This is our dog, River. She's a good dog. Let's see. Okay. This has a card. Oh, right. Here is the user's manual. Now, you don't know this about me since this is our very first video, but I actually read these things. I read them all the way through. I read them from the beginning all the way to the end, and that way I know the things I need to know about whatever it is I open. For example, I bought a brand new Dremel a few months ago, and I read the user's manual before I even used it, before I even turned it on. My husband says I'm crazy, but at least I know how to use stuff. So, I like this. I like this a lot. This is all the stuff for my camera. It's pretty neat. This says, please read the user manual carefully before use. Well, absolutely. So, I'm going to open it up and see what's in here. And then I'll read the user manual. I just want to see what's in here. Alright, we are going to look at this stuff here first, because I'm most interested in the camera, and I'm going to spend more time on that. Now, bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Okay, this stuff fell out. I'm sitting on my couch, if you haven't figured that out. So here we have the TV connector cable, the AV cable. Just a moment, baby. Okay. And here is my charging cord and the charger. This is really cool. It looks like, yep, it's a different from my phone, but that's good because it means I'll have to make sure I know where the cord is. All right, now let's look at the camera. Ooh, it comes in this. Anything else in here? Nope. Okay. Camera has this really nice black case. It says, I want to say that's a DV cam. DV cam. I like it. It's really cool. All right. Let's open it up. All right. It's a Velcro case. I like that. Look at this camera. Here we go. So, here we go. It has all the specs on it. Something else you don't know about me, I will be leaving that sticker on my camera because I like to leave the stickers on. I like this a lot. There's the front. There's the top of it with all the buttons. Once I read it, or read the user manual, I will know exactly how to use it properly. But I believe it's used to go like this. Sorry. Like this. And I hold it like this. I think. That sounds right to me. Because this right here is a viewport screen. There's all the buttons. And yeah, this is my new camera.
And those are the chargers.
I will be getting a tripod to set this on, because I will have tutorials on my channel. And I'm just really excited about this. I have never had a video camera in my life outside of a phone. So this is my first one. I have absolutely no idea how to use this. But I will be reading the user manual for certain. Alright, now I think this is, yes, this is supposed to turn so I can be recording and still see what I need to a different way. See this little protective sticker right here? I'll be leaving that on as long as I can as well, because I leave the stickers on. Now, just a minute, baby, okay? So, that is our camera. It is very nice. I'm very pleased with it. I got this on the Walmart website for $50. So, and it has a warranty. I did not buy the protection plan from Walmart, but I am loving this camera. And I'm hoping it does what I need it to, and I think it will. All right. That is it for this first video. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will have another video again soon. Bye.
I'm another gift for you.